পাকিস্তানকে কটাক্ষ ওআইসির। পহেলগাম সন্ত্রাসী হামলা এবং অপারেশন সিঁদুরের পর ভারতীয় প্রতিনিধি দলের অংশ হিসেবে সৌদি আরবে এক আলোচনা সভায় বক্তব্য রাখতে গিয়ে এমআইএম প্রধান আসাউদ্দিন ওয়াইসি ভারতে হিন্দু মুসলিম বিভেদ সৃষ্টি করার পাক ষড়যন্ত্র নিয়ে সরব হন। তিনি বলেন, ভারতে 24 কোটিরও বেশি গর্বিত মুসলমান বাস করেন। পাকিস্তান আরব দুনিয়া ও অন্যান্য মুসলিম দেশগুলোকে ভুল বার্তা দেওয়ার চেষ্টা করছে। পাকিস্তান বলছে ওরা মুসলিম দেশ, কিন্তু ভারত মুসলিম দেশ নয়। এই কথা সম্পূর্ণ ভুল।
Pakistan army, Pakistan deep state is hell bent on destabilizing India. We don't run, as our head of delegation must have told you, India does not run any terrorist camps. India does not indulges in any terrorism in anywhere. And now Pakistan has the cheek to say all these things. So the best thing now, which the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia, the Kuwait government and the Bahraini government, we have requested them when the delegation had met that they must ensure that Pakistan must be brought back in FATF grey list. That is where we will be able to control this terror financing of all these terrorist organizations. And do you know that when this person was made the field marshal in Pakistan, a US designated terrorist called Muhammad Ehsan was sitting right beside the field marshal. So this is complete. He is a US designated terrorist called Muhammad Ehsan, and there are photographs him shaking hands with this field marshal. So there is a clear-cut evidence of Pakistan's involvement. These terrorist groups are prospering over there. They are being trained over there, and their whole task is to destabilize India, to create more Hindu-Muslim riots in India. And the most unfortunate part is that Pakistan gives out a wrong message to the Arab world and to the Muslim world that we are a Muslim country and India is not a Muslim country. But Your Excellency, you know, you have more knowledge about worldly affairs, that there are 240 million proud Indian Muslims living in India. And not only that, we have our Islamic scholars are much better than any scholars in the world. They can speak the best of Arabic language. In fact, we have some famous Islamic scholars who have done great work in the Hanafi fiqh jurisprudence, and their judgments are accepted by the religious scholars of anywhere in the world. So this Pakistan's false propaganda that India is hurting us because we're a Muslim country, it is completely wrong.
আসাউদ্দিন ওয়াইসি আরও বলেন, পাকিস্তান যদি সন্ত্রাসী গোষ্ঠীগুলিকে মদদ দেওয়া বন্ধ করে তাহলে দক্ষিণ এশিয়ায় স্থিতিশীলতা আসবে এবং তারা দক্ষিণ এশিয়ার উন্নতি করতে পারবে। ভারত সার্কভুক্ত দেশগুলির মধ্যে দ্বিপাক্ষিক রেল চুক্তি চায়, কিন্তু পাকিস্তান কখনোই তার অনুমতি দেয়নি।
If it stops these Takfiri terrorist groups, there will be stability in South Asia, there will be progress in South Asia. And Pakistan has put obstacles even in the SARC. India wanted a bilateral railway agreement between all the SARC countries. India wanted Bangladesh, India train, but Pakistan has always not allowed it. So we hope that our delegation, which is here on this purpose to request you to bring to your light what Pakistan has been doing in India, and this false propaganda of Pakistan that they have this great military prowess and nothing like that. What happened on the 9th, their 9 air bases were targeted. If India had wanted, we could have completely damaged those air bases, but we wanted to show them a mirror and say that, look, we are warning you, don't do it. Don't force us to go on that path wherein instead of creating a crater, we'll create graves for you.
ডাউনলোড করুন এই সময় অ্যাপ iOS ও অ্যান্ড্রয়েডের জন্য।